Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be making a very interesting recipe. It is called tiger nut stretchy buns with banana filling. So here are our recipes. This is my tiger nut milk, my butter, my sugar, my salt, my flour, baking powder, milk, nutmeg, and of course banana. This recipe is going to be so yummy, so make sure you don't go anywhere. Let's go. Alright guys, it's 360-degree baking explore. Let's explore together. So I'm going to go ahead and mix my flour. I'll add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Just 1 tablespoon of sugar. The full recipe will be in the description section. So you add my quarter teaspoon of cinnamon or nutmeg. We add our 1 teaspoon of milk. Just a little bit of salt. One teaspoon of margarine. We are making a stretchy bun, so our margarine should not be too much. Half teaspoon of baking powder. Then we mix together till it all incorporates. After mixing all our ingredients, we go ahead and add our tiger nut milk. Guys, this is me making another healthy snack recipe. Tiger nut milk is rich in healthy proteins, rich in vitamin E. It can control your blood pressure, your blood sugar, and you can also use it as a substitute for cow's milk. So this is very healthy recipe that you should try out. Tiger nut itself contains a lot of fiber and is generally good for the body. So you mix it very well till it forms a stretchy dough. Guys, this has formed a dough already. We have to knead it till it is very smooth. This has formed a dough, unlike the batter we form when we want to make buns. This is a stretchy buns, and our dough has to be very, very smooth and stretchy. So I'm making sure I knead my buns dough properly so that it can be stretchy. After this, we allow it to rest for 30 minutes. So right now guys, we want to prepare our banana fillings for the buns. So our banana has to be frozen. Banana gets soft easily. So I'm just bringing this out from the freezer for it. So after then, we have to mash the banana. So just make sure you mash with whatever is convenient. So after mashing the banana, we add 1 teaspoon of milk to it. And 1 teaspoon of margarine. And after that, we mix together. So our banana mash is ready. I hope you are enjoying my video and you are liking my totori recipes. If you do like this video, please help me give it a like. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and share this video far and wide so that I can keep making amazing pastry recipes for you. So we are done. So I'm going to place this back in the freezer so it remains cool while we work out our buns dough. After allowing our dough to rest, this is what we have, guys. So we are going to press now and start cutting. I can perceive the tiger nut milk aroma already. This is going to be so delicious, trust me. So after that, guys, you cut, you divide. So I also want to show us that we can use this dough as our egg buns. So you wrap gently. Wrap gently. Just make sure it is not too light. And make sure you knot this place and make sure the egg is not showing. So our balls are ready and ready to be fried. So I'm in my kitchen already, so I have to fry our buns. Ready to be fried. It's frying already. So and also my egg buns, I've put it inside. So you are frying your buns or egg buns, you have to make sure you use a deep pot so that it can flow and swim very well in the vegetable oil. Our yummy tiger nut buns is ready, guys. This is different from the usual and the aroma is superbly delicious, guys. I can't wait for you to try out this recipe. This is our banana filled buns. This is delicious. Ooh. How about having this yummy buns with a chilled tiger nuts milk recipe? Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and most importantly, check out my other videos for more amazing recipes. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.